Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I'm so ecstatic to be sharing with you a Dollar Tree DIY using some golf clubs and balloons to create this amazing centerpiece that I used at my nephew's first birthday party. That's right, party, Partee. It was so super adorable, and I was really challenged to come up with something creatively that was cost effective, and this worked out so great, and I cannot wait to share with you. So the first thing you're going to need are some golf clubs. Now these do come in one in a pack. They also have some smaller ones that come two in a pack, but I wanted these particular colors because it did match the theme for his party. So you're going to get 3 of those, and then you're going to use a balloon, just a simple balloon, to tie them around. Now you're going to have to kind of work with them a little bit, make sure that the I don't know what part of it, but it's facing forward, and then you're going to just kind of wrap it around, and then just kind of make sure that once you wrap that balloon around that it stands on its own. Now the good thing, you can use a rubber band for this too, but I didn't want to have to buy any extra supplies. And so the good thing about using the balloon is that it is elastic, so once you get them all tied up, you can kind of adjust them as you need to, and kind of maneuver them around as you need to in order to get that look that you're looking for, to get them to stand up on their own. And then by you placing the balloons on top, you know, it will really they're really lightweight, and so the balloons are not heavy at all, so they'll be able to hold the balloons as you get them to stand up. But again, you're just going to kind of arrange them as you need to. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to do a balloon topper. If you guys remember, not very long ago, I shared this with you guys for graduation party ideas, for those of you guys who are looking for some inexpensive graduation party ideas. And these are all items from the Dollar Tree, and so you want to just kind of tie them together. Go back and look at that video to see exactly how you create the quads and all the different steps. I'm kind of fast forwarding it all here, but I do have that video. I will link that down below, so be sure to go back and check that out so that you can get the full tutorial on how to create the topper for your golf themed balloon centerpiece. So the same steps, you're just going to kind of move the balloons around a little bit different than in this particular tutorial, but definitely check that video out. And speaking of that, you guys, I have posted like a patio video, and I've also posted a home decor haul video. Please check those videos out. Please, I will leave that link down below. I work really hard to put these videos together for you guys, and depending on how often or how you watch them will determine what content that I bring to you next. So please watch those videos. Be sure to leave me a comment and a thumbs up if you're liking them, so that I can continue creating that type of content. And if you guys aren't, then I can create the content that you like. So here is the end of that tutorial. Again, I fast forwarded it, but I wanted to show you guys that before I showed you the next step. Now this is a bouquet holder, and I was looking for something that I could use that was lightweight to affix the balloons to the top of the golf clubs. And so what I did was, in the center of the quad, I pushed the balloon bouquet, the bouquet holder down in the balloons, and then I pulled the handle down the bottom. And that is the trick. This is the first time you've seen this. I have not seen this before. I actually kind of created it through trial and error, and it worked out beautifully. And then you're going to just place that holder down in the center of all 3 of those golf clubs in order to get them to stand up. And voila, you have a DIY centerpiece from the Dollar Tree. You can do this with the baseball bats that they have. I mean, the possibilities are limitless. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Thank you for all of you who participated in Lux Academy. I do have another class coming up soon, so stay tuned for that information. Don't forget to check out the videos that I mentioned earlier, and I will be posting this birthday party in its entirety this week, so probably on Tuesday. So be sure to tune in for that. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers, and thank you guys so much for 70K subscribers. I cannot believe we're only 30,000 away from 100,000. This is just unbelievable. Thank you guys so much. This would not be possible without you. I love you guys. Bye-bye.